So this was the strategy I was talking about for swing trading. It's just to have a clear direction on what EU is doing long term. So this is not liquidity edge anyway. I just said I should share this one. So on the monthly, you can see this EU is still very bearish, right? So we have this. It's still on a bearish pattern, higher highs and higher lows, lower highs and lower lows. Yeah. So we have this rejection from golden zone. Golden zone is just the 60 and 61.8 and 50, that area. So we have this. I just wanted to mark it so you know how I did what I did. Then you have this rejection from the golden zone. So you see this. Let's switch to candlesticks. So you see this. Okay, this one was extended properly. Let's extend it. Right? Yes, perfectly. So you see this rejection from 618 golden zone, rejection from the golden zone, drop, then rejection from the golden zone. What are you expecting? Drop. Where is it coming to? Here. This is the area. This is the area we are marking. So if I'm to mark out that price action to make it clearer, we have something like this: impulse move retracement, impulse move retracement, impulse move retracement, and this. So look at that. It's clear, right? So we are around here now. We are here. No, we are around somewhere here. This is the next move we are expecting, down to take out this liquidity level. So that's just it. Nothing complex here. Why I didn't consider this one as a retracement is because it's still rejected from that golden zone here and dropped. After dropping, what did it do? Look at this. We have this. Structure break. So I'm not considering this one. So the next place I'm looking to take is a swing from here down to this swing trading strategy I told you about. So I'm looking to take a swing down to this monthly low because I'm expecting another structure break at this place. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to show you. So see that. So that's just it. So let's delete this. So this is the monthly is clear. So we're done with monthly. Yeah, so just leave this. So let's go to the weekly and see what weekly is doing. So what can we see on the weekly? This move was a very interesting one for me because I didn't know what to call this or how to classify this. You see, 2 weeks. Normally it's supposed to either reject from the body or reject from, but see, it's like a week filling up a week. So I was actually looking at the reaction when this happened, only to see that the price treated it as a supply zone. You get? So I'm looking out for. I'm still studying this move. I'm not done with it yet. So I just marked this as this was the buy we have on EO. For those not trading it, you go and check the buy. So this was the that buy that cleared those swing highs. I think that was last year. It was September, October, November last year. So this was it. Rejected from this place. I just marked this as a significant point that was taken. Meanwhile, this is still the rejection from that golden zone. This is the zone on the weekly. So after the rejection, what did you see here? we are looking at this fair value gap that was created. Now this is LES. Yeah, this is LES. Liquidity has been taken here. Market structure shifts here. Fair value gap created on the swing that broke structure. Look at that. We're going to fill the gap. Stop loss at where? Stop loss at the high of that candle, which is here. Look at that. So if I was swinging, this was a good entry, but I've missed this one now. So where's the next entry we can get from here, right? So this is the weekly filled liquidity, filled the fair value gap and rejected. Let's go down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, see something interesting is happening here. You can't say this market is bullish now, but look here. This was higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. There's something interesting that has happened here. So I'm waiting for today's price action to confirm before I get a direction. Now remember, I'm looking for a buy, a position to sell. That's an optimal trade entry. Let me just put it that way before we confuse ourselves. So you see, this still broke structure. It's not, you can't say the buy is still valid. It still broke it well, its body broke it well. Then this, so what we might be getting now is a retracement back to this place. See this? Remember when we had something similar like this? I did a video on it when we missed the trade because we thought this has filled it, but no, it's going to come back here and drop. Now the only thing I'm not yet certain of is this. Since this is the daily time frame, look at this. You have two significant fair value gap. You have this. Regardless, this is where my stop loss is going to be. So no matter the trade I'm entering, this is where I'll be looking to put my stop loss. Okay, because of this, it's possible it gets into here, taps into this one and rejects. So if you put your stop loss here because you're entering, you might get stop your odds, then start rejecting. So I've still not decided between these two, but I like choosing the extreme. As I said, play from the extreme. I might just end up going with this one. So that's it. This for the swing trading. You can drop into 4 hours for. Now look at what I was telling you. Look at that. Higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, break. So I didn't draw the channel because I'm observing this move, so I don't have a bias perspective. So I'm looking at this place. This might just be my entry for a buy back to that area. You understand? Here. So stop loss is definitely going to be here. So you have like 21 pip stop. Going to ride it all the way to this beautiful zone right here. Look at that. Now see what I'm saying. On 4 hours, you see how this is looking here. But if you don't go to the daily, you might not understand why this interesting zone is here. But that not regardless, that's notwithstanding, I don't have an optimal trade entry yet. I'm still looking for it. I just want to show you my bias for the rest of the week, so you don't end up taking trades that will burn your account. So we have that looking at 217 pips. So basically what I'm expecting is this: goes higher, come down. Makes sense because we have these highs, you see all these highs now created. If it comes back here or here, it makes more sense before coming down. So that's it.